Good morning, welcome at ISE 2025. My name is Tom de Bruyne from Allsee Technologies. We are here to speak to you today about our ultra-wide stretched. Very particular sizes, very nice products. I'm very enthusiastic to talk more about these for you. As you can see, these are not our typical 69 screens, so they fit perfectly in any kind of smaller environments or nice projects that you would have for these types of screens. We have the 28-inch, 37-inch and the 76-inch at the other side of the booth. Good thing to know, these are the standard sizes that we have in stock straight away, but we can actually customize or cut the panels to the perfect size that you actually need. You can sell these products at a confidence because we give you 3 years of warranty and a lifetime support. If you would have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact us and visit our website at allsee-tech.com. Thank you very much.